Hey, welcome to Drone Education Services, where we are opening minds to drone technology. My name is Lamar Ellis, and I am on the FAA safety team here in the state of Georgia. I am also an instructor with the Appraisal Institute and have been teaching since 2010 real estate classes for the Institute. I'm also on the board of directors for the Atlanta chapter of AUVSI, which is the Association of Unmanned Vehicle Systems International. Drones are changing aerial inspections. Back in 2014, I saw a news report on drone technology for safety and security. And what it was about looking at people from up above. So what they did was they took a drone from the front of a house and they flew it over the house to show the people in the pool in the rear. And as they flew the drone over the house, I got to see the house from a different perspective. And as a real estate professional, that different perspective changed the way I looked at real estate forever. As a matter of fact, I made it my goal to start learning as much about aerial technology as I could. And then when I got back from Florida, after looking at that news report, had a class put together, and 4 months later, I delivered my first class in 2014. Since then, I've delivered webinars and seminars to over 40 states in the United States, and I am so excited to say that I am booking seminars as we go. Now, this project right here, I call it 500 Flights and Counting. And this was a project over a 9 month period where not only did I have to deal with environmental, but operational and even legislative issues when flying the drone, such as the temporary flight restrictions from the president coming into town to a football game. I'm so excited to be able to share with you the experiences that I've learned over doing a redundant flight for the 9 month period. Stay tuned. Drone technology has got a lot to share. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, we have a lot to share. At Drone Education Services, we are opening minds to drone technology. Fly safe.